Welcome back to another amazing video that Soundspired produces. High production quality. This is Juan.
How you guys doing?
He is the co-founder of Soundspired, a full-service podcast production agency. I am the other co-founder, and we're going to try all the flavored Takis so that you don't have to, and we're going to have a little twist in the middle, so you want to stay tuned. In between each Taki, I think we should just ask each other some questions to get to know each other a little bit better. Yeah. It's not like we've worked together for years already, but I feel like we should rank these in order of what's going to do the best. I think we should start with zombie.
That's also extreme.
What? Let's do the nitro.
Let's do this one.
No, let's do the nitro. Here you go.
Okay.
You've already opened it.
A lot of crackling. Sorry for the ears.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Are you ready?
Here we go. Sorry for all the Red 40 fanatics out there.
Got some sour to it.
Yeah, but why is that sour? It's like the lime went sour and they drenched it.
You know what's weird? This tastes the same.
I think we should compare.
You want to do it? A quick compare?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let me clear the palate. All right, the next up. Excuse me. Oh. All right. This one is the zombie.
Let's see.
Yeah. What is this? The zombie. Wait, what flavor? What flavor? It just says zombie.
Yeah, I think it says zombie.
Okay. Do you want to try it? Oh God, there's people watching.
It's okay. I'm telling you, I think it might be the same thing, just different package.
I gotta remember what
ready?
the other one was. Okay, cheers. That one's more intense.
You think so?
Mm-hmm. That one's more intense.
Or maybe it's because I got a small one. Let me try a bigger one.
Okay, so this brings up a good point. What do you... we should ask each other about the podcast business.
Right, let's ask each other about it. What's the hardest?
I was going to ask you that. What's the hardest thing about being in the business? Try another one of those.
For me?
Mm-hmm.
Or in general?
For you.
Client communication. That's more of your strong suit.
Yeah.
I'm very technical. You?
I think the hardest thing right now is, ooh, that's a bit spicy. Honestly, the hardest thing is, I know production, I know how to market the podcast, but the hardest thing is, finding alignment sometimes with the people that you want to work with and balancing needing to create capital for the business. So therefore, sometimes you might do podcasts that you're not so passionate about, but it's just hard. We want to be passionate about the people that we work with, because if we're passionate, we're going to be able to help you. I don't know, finding that balance sometimes. You like that, Taki?
Yeah, they're a little bit spicy.
Okay.
We
just tried the zombie. Let me see that one. We just did the nitro. Let me try one of those again. How many calories is in this? I think we haven't too many. 150. This one has more of a distinct flavor than that one, but I like that one better.
Yeah, that one's good.
I don't know what the flavor is. Also, we didn't get any water or anything to wash this down with. That was pretty bad. Let's do the blue heat.
Blue heat.
All right. Next up is blue heat.
This goes back to what's your favorite color?
Okay, my favorite color is blue, so I should like this. Before you eat the Taki, I want to ask you... Did you eat it? Slow down! This video has to be longer than this. Dang it. Are you hungry? I mean, we should have went and got dinner.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay. Was it good? I mean, dang. All right. These are misleading. Blue heat? That's not spicy.
It tastes a little blue. Oh, they said it's extreme. I think the spiciest one has been, for me, this one.
The nitro.
The nitro?
It's kind of blending together at this point. What do you like most about running a podcast agency?
It's really cool to listen to different podcasts. Like everybody has a different story.
Right, yeah.
You're constantly learning new things, like salt models.
It's really cool to learn
Yep.
about all these different industries.
Mm-hmm.
Dental industries, universities, modeling agencies, individual creators. You're in their world for like a brief period of time.
Mm-hmm.
And so I feel like become a little bit more knowledgeable. No?
Yeah.
Cool.
If you had a podcast, let's drift a little bit.
Okay.
Who would you like to co-host with? Like a famous artist, musician?
Annie Leibovitz. I don't think they know this about me, but I started my career as a photographer. So for the last decade of my life, I've been shooting commercial campaigns, editorial shoots for magazines. I've worked for companies, brands. I know a lot of photographers, and Annie Leibovitz is one of my favorite photographers. I love her career. I mean, there's a lot of them. Pete Souza's an amazing photographer, worked for the president during both campaigns, and then President Obama, and also I think Richard Nixon, maybe? I don't know. Maybe that's too old. I don't know. Probably. Annie Leibovitz to co-host. Although I'd be nervous. I would be like, I don't know what we would talk about. What about you?
I would say Ryan Reynolds. There you go.
Ryan Reynolds. Okay. That'd be fun.
Yeah.
Podcast.
Do you
want to maybe like slow down on the Takis?
Oh, okay, yeah, you're right.
So that we could like try the other.
All
right.
Cool.
Next up is the chili limon.
What country
Cheers.
would you like to host a podcast in?
Let's try this. Ooh,
Okay.
but that's a good. I have a specific answer.
Oh, that's horrible.
Oh, it's mild. That has no spice at all.
Tastes like
I'm
cardboard.
disappointed. What is that? A potato? Oh, it's got a pepper on it, but it looks like. I know what that looks like.
Let me try one more.
I was gonna say like an onion or something, but
It's like probably a red pepper.
onions aren't red, so red pepper, I guess.
No, because there's no. Yeah, there's no spice to it.
I don't need to waste calories on this.
Yeah, where would you fly to film a podcast? What would be a cool place?
Probably Spain.
Right.
I really love Spain. I've been there many, many times. And it's one of my favorite countries. Although the food in Latin America is so much better than Spanish food. But I do like the Spanish culture. They're Europeans. Europeans, I'm sorry, are a little bit like sticks in the mud sometimes when it comes to friendliness. In my experience, I mean, Europeans are amazing. I made a lot of friends in Europe, but there's just something about Latin Americans. Like when you go visit a country like in Peru, or you go to Mexico or somewhere, everyone is just like so excited to see you. I just don't get the same welcoming presence in Europe. But I do love Spain. I mean, it's a beautiful country. So what about you?
I think a nice building in like Japan, like all the way at the top.
Like at the top. Oh, the city. Okay.
Where you see
I
all
was
the like
thinking
lights
mountains.
and everything.
Yeah.
That would be a really good place to go.
Maybe Tokyo.
Tokyo. Mm-hmm.
All right. For the surprise challenge, we got some hot ones, hot sauce, and let's put it on the spiciest one that we.
Did it focus? Make
I
sure
don't know.
it focus. There you go.
Dude, your fingers. Show them your fingers. Oh wait, we have one more.
Oh,
The regular original to try. Here we go.
We should go running after this.
Yeah, we should. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You can't go wrong with that.
No, it is horrible. I don't like it.
Oh. I was gonna say that's perfect, but it's very spicy.
I think my favorite so far was this one. The zombie one.
Okay, let's put some hot sauce on it.
Okay, let's do the most disgusting one. All right.
Okay. Last question before I finish this off. How are we gonna do that? Okay, here. Oh, sorry. That wasn't a smart idea.
Are you ready?
Yeah, go for it. I'm gonna do it on this. Ay, sorry, dude. I'm gonna dip it.
Oh shoot, it's about to fall.
Okay, ready?
Wait.
It's dripping. Here, don't put it in my hand. Take it outside. Take it outside.
So which one was the spiciest one so far? And the most disgusting?
This is the most disgusting. I think the winner is the original, and then after the original, my favorite is probably the green.
The green. This, I don't know.
Yeah.
It was a bad batch.
Yeah. What about you? Let's wrap this video up with one more question. It tastes like a pepper,
This one?
like a rojo.
But it's green.
Green pepper. Like a zucchini. That's what it tastes like. It tastes fresh.
If you had to do a podcast with an animal, what animal and why?
Probably rabbit.
A rabbit?
Yeah.
Why?
You know, because there's a lot of stories about rabbits that I read growing up, and I just feel like they can talk and they talk well. Like, they have a lot of experience. You know, they've seen a lot of things. They probably could tell me a lot about President Nixon. What about you?
I think cats. Interview them about...
Answer.
No, because think about it. In ancient times,
like the Egyptians.
they used to, like, really look up to cats and stuff. And also, like, why are they all mad? Like,
Right.
they're always mad.
Right.
So it'd be nice to understand.
I do want to understand what a
Like,
cat thinks.
like, why would your kitty be so grumpy?
Let's rank them. Least we can agree.
I gotta try them one more time.
Hey, what? I mean, you've eaten the whole bag.
Hold on.
Aren't you working out tomorrow?
I hate
Okay, yeah. This one's
1,
our
2,
least
3,
favorite.
4, 5. So there's 5, no?
Rank them in 1 through 5 for you, and I'll do this.
5 is worse?
Yeah.
Okay. 5.
Okay.
4.
Okay.
3.
Okay.
2.
Okay.
My favorite one was this one.
Wow, really? Okay. Gotcha.
You?
I'm a little off. Least favorite was this. Next up was this. Third place is this. Second place is this.
Oh.
First place is the original. Can't go wrong. And honestly, this hot sauce was really good. You should try that.
It wasn't.
If you want to launch a podcast with us, reach out, hello@soundspired.com. I'm Brandon, this is Juan. Somebody from our team will get in touch with you, I promise. We are professional. Ignore the videos that we create. We just want to show our personality a little bit more. We'll create an amazing podcast for you, an amazing show, get you results, get you seen, and have a great time doing it. And have a great time. I te quiero.